Hey there, when we bought this Honda Pilot, the salesman assured us that the timing belt had been changed out because we were concerned. In this video, we're going to take the cover off and check this belt out and find out. There are 5 10mm bolts that need to be removed to get this firewall side timing belt cover off. Okay, looks like we can turn this out by hand the rest of the way. Haste makes waste.
Added a 3-inch extension onto it to reach it. And we got it busted. One of these thumb wheels will help.
Okay, that's 3 out of 5. This one on the lower left's the hardest one to get at. I kind of tried to highlight it here with a light. Not sure I pulled it off. There's a little more light. Now this one's kind of a reach. Just be careful, don't drop it as you take it out. We'll get down in there and turn the rest of this one out with a thumb wheel.
The last one is down here under the steering wheel, under the power steering pulley. Just gotta kind of feel for it a little bit. And there it is right there. And it's broken loose. We'll polish it off with our thumb wheel. Okay, let's see if we can bring it up. And there it is.
And there's a wiring harness that runs through a little channel on the top of this cover that needs to come out and kind of be put behind it.
And then we should be able to get the cover off. Have a look at the belt. So the trick is to slip that piece of harness back behind the cover, and then the cover can be pulled out. Probably going to be best to pull it through the back here. And there it is.
First thought that struck me, it's not brand new.
We're going to be looking underneath as we rotate the engine and looking for any issues with the ribs. Make sure everything looks good.
The simplest way to do this is to get a 19mm socket on the crank pulley bolt and rotate the engine clockwise. If you do this, make sure you disconnect the battery. And it's expected to take a little while to make a revolution. And you can get a small arc this way. And rotate that around. Now the fast way to do this is with a remote crank switch. I had set one up, and I'll throw up a link to show how to do that. I'm going to slow the video down by 1/3 just to make it easier to see this. And I'm looking for any kind of wear and tear, any cracks, any gouges, anything missing. I'm also looking for the stamped on label. To me, that's going to tell the story here of the degree of wear this belt actually has. And this is an interference engine in which if the belt breaks, it's possible to damage the valves. That's one of the reasons why the timing belt replacement is so important. I found the label and it's worn out, like the belt. It has over 100,000 miles on it and needs replacement. Okay, let's put this cover back on.
Don't forget to route this small harness, snap it back into place. Was in there pretty tight.
Just snug these up, don't over tighten them. If there's a torque spec for it, it's going to be maybe in the inch-pounds, 10, something like that. Okay, thanks for watching. We have a timing belt to replace. Please subscribe for more useful videos on the way.